She said that she hate me, I hate me too. I can always tell when you're lying, girl, you're see-through. All these miles away, yeah, I just wanna see you. Baby, give me good faith. She hit me like see-through.
This package by itself is $1,200. If you purchase this separate, then this will be $1,200. It's online for a deal now for about $9.50 with Walmart Plus, $10.87, and that was with a 4-year protection plan. So definitely worth it in my opinion. All right, so let's just jump straight into it. Get the box open. I purchased 2 extra batteries already. $9.99 a piece for the batteries. You got the official books and stuff, 1-year warranty. And that's I like this. It's smaller, it's neat. It'll fit good in my bag. I like this. The build quality is nice too. I like this rubber grip that it has here. You know, I'm a beginner. It's for starters. We have the charging cord, neck strap. Get it off the bag. Is this a neck strap or a bag strap? No, it's a neck strap. Alright, figure that out later. Neck strap, what else we got here? Like the battery charger. Little flip out plug on the back for the battery charger. This is the battery that comes with it. The extra memory card. It's 128 gig. That didn't come with the package. 2 lenses. 55 to 200 millimeter Canon lens. And this would be the kit lens, the 15 to 45 millimeter kit lens. Now for the fun part. So basically this is what comes in the package with the 2 kit lenses. You got the EOS M50, I keep calling it EOS. We got the Canon 55 to 200 millimeter lens and the Canon 15 to 45 millimeter lens. Charging cable, battery charger, and battery. I purchased these extra $20, and this was $20, so like $40 extra. But this is what comes with the Walmart bundle, which is the fun part. You get this nice little carrying bag. Get that in focus. Packaged in the bag. What kind of shit? These all for like 100 and something bucks. Got a dust blower. Got the dust blower here. Alright, we got a memory card reader. Nice little neat compact memory card reader. 2 memory cards, 32 gigs, and 90 megabytes a second. My memory card, I think was, where is it? Over here. My memory card is 128 gig with 170 megabytes per second. Let's see, deluxe starter kit for use with digital cameras, fast and simple cleaning. Basically a little cleaning kit for your camera and stuff. You got a digital slave flash. You also got a filter kit. UV protective filter, CPL, circular polarizer filter, fluorescent filter, and a filter wallet to go with it. 2 extra lenses, a wide angle lens with macro, 58 millimeter, and a telephoto lens, both from Vivitar. This is 58 millimeter as well. You got AC/DC rapid travel charger, tripod, a set of Pro HD series macro close-up lens set, and that's what's in the package. So I'm gonna have some fun with this. Got a nice little bag to carry around everything.
I'm so depressed and I don't know the reason, just wanna